everybody, I hope you're well. You guys are here for a fabric haul. I've been to the Stoffencircus yesterday. It was close to where I live, and I wanted to get a few things, a few notions. I made a list because I didn't want to spend too much because next week there's going to be a fun outing with the Seamwork ladies. I am a Seamwork ambassador. I enjoy the brand. I enjoy most of the patterns, but definitely what I enjoy most about Seamwork is the community. And so I do have a list for next week, so I didn't want to go overboard, but I did want to check the Stoffencircus since I haven't been there. And one of the stores that I see online a lot was also present, so I wanted to go and check it out. All of the things that I bought four fabrics in total and a few notions. I'm going to leave my favorite one for last. These are not all for self projects, some are for selfless projects. So I have this one right here, which is a cotton stretch. It has some beautiful flower print on it. I bought this one for mom, and I had something in mind, and after I purchased it, I sent a picture to mom. I was like, do you like this fabric? She's like, yes. And I envisioned this and this. I was like, that's why I bought it. I knew it. So I bought 2 meters, and I bought it at €4 per meter. I also saw this one online at Stoffen.nl. I went with my little baggie of things that I was looking for. I wasn't able to find. The only thing that I was able to find was a zipper, because hubby needs a zipper repair. But I didn't find anything in my little pouch that I bought with me. I bought a cotton jersey. This one is for hubby, for a t-shirt, which I am on a hunt for the perfect t-shirt fabric. I have made 2 t-shirts thus far. One fabric was very flimsy, very thin. It could be that it was a viscose jersey, which is t-shirt fabric, but maybe it's a little bit of the consistency, so the grams per square meter that makes the difference. I made another t-shirt from cotton jersey. He likes that one better. I liked it better in terms of how it acted with my machine, and I don't know. I'm still looking. So next week when I go on my outing, I will look for another type of t-shirt fabric and see what I do. But I found one at Zus en Guus, and they have really good quality fabric at an affordable price. I bought this, or these two together were 28 and some change. I know I bought 1 meter 20 of this, and maybe, yeah, I think it was 1 meter 20, or this one was 1 meter 20 and the other one was 1 meter 40. But in any case, it was 28, so I'm not sure how much, but maybe it was like 11 something per meter, and this maybe 12 something, I'm not sure. But any case, it seems like it's a little thicker. It has a little, I don't want to say that it has fleece on the inside, but I hope it's not too warm. I bought this rib jersey because I'm in love with the Goldie. I really like it. So I have a blue purple tone one, and now I bought this baby pink one, or soft pink one. I think it's going to be the same thing again. Okay, let me show you. I want to show you my notions first before I show you that last fabric. Like I mentioned, I had to buy a zipper for hubby's jeans. I really wanted this pliers for press fasteners. I want to start making some, or at least I enjoy a good bodysuit, so that's why I really wanted this. I also wanted for some selfless project because I sew with quite a lot of knits. I want to, and I have quite a lot of scraps. I want to make some baby sweaters, so I can give it to a good, or at least a foundation. A foundation is one that one of the ladies in the group is a founder of, and that's, or at least they do charities for that foundation, and I want to be a part of it, but I want to do it in my own time, in my own space. And I know that those baby sweaters, they use like these snaps on the side, at the collar, so that you don't stretch the whole neckband over the baby's head. And so that's why I really wanted it, and the guy recommended me buying these together. So these are the snaps and this is just a tool. So I'll figure it out, but this is what I really wanted. I also went to my local to me haberdashery stores, and I got me a roll and press. This is Raven's doing, DIY Raven on here. And of course, you can never have enough seam rippers. And this is what I left for last. So this is a embroidered tool. Yeah, embroidered lace tool, that's what it is. And I bought it for the S9850, which I want to try to finish by midsummer, and for it to be my, I make a splash during the summer. During the summer is my favorite time of the year because I am a island girl. I need sun, I need heat, and I celebrate those moments where I live with outfits. So last year I made this beautiful, colorful jumpsuit, and this year I'm making this dress with this lace. What I wanted to do is next week I'm going to ask some advice. I read the instructions and also the fabric options or fabric recommendations as to what to use as the backing of this, because it is see-through and everything, and the guy was recommending me some, it has some mechanical stretch. It doesn't really have that much stretch. I was thinking more of a stretch cotton to back it, so it will have a little bit of stretch but still hold its shape. I'm not sure yet, so I'm going to ask some advice for that, because I wasn't really sure about the punto and those type of fabric. Oh, of course, I bought the invisible zipper for this dress. And the other thing that I still have pending, I still have my vintage suit that I am supposedly working on, and so I have that pending. Oh, of course, what I have coming up is my cool vibes or cool summer vibes collection, mini collection, 5 pieces, and which I'll be presenting to you next. And so I just need one more fabric in order to present that one and show you guys at least what the idea is. It is based on the Design Your Wardrobe workshop, which I follow every year, twice a year. And I also wanted to make this viral top, which is the Guyani top. I saw different versions of it. and I really like it. It's really cute, it's really girly, and I thought I would just hack a pattern that I have. So I'm going to use this McCall, the 7542, and together with the Seamwork Sable, because that one is definitely one that I can use. It looks similar. It really looks similar. The only thing is it doesn't have puff sleeves and a peplum skirt, but it does have the ties in the front. So I really wanted to copy that and hack it in a way that I could make that viral top, because I really like it. I think it's also a really cute thing that I could wear over jeans, you know, to not really run errands, because I don't really do that, but you know, get dressed to go buy coffee. Okay, this is all that I have, and so next week I'm going on adventure, and of course I wanted to film. I definitely want to film the video where I show you how I transformed my 80s to 2024 suit. So I would say stay tuned. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Have a great day. Bye.